Cleaning up the shop, Cole.
It's not fun.
But you're a good helper, right?
Yeah.
You're enthused about it?
Okay. I hate you.
What's wrong, man? Come on.
Don't do that.
What did I do? It was an accident. It was a total accident. Come on, man. Okay, maybe that was rotten. We're just cleaning out the shop and thought I'd live.
What was that?
Some old firecrackers I found.
Now I have to clean that back up.
That's kind of messed up. I'm sorry, Cole. I'm sorry. Forgive Dad. We've been cleaning out the shop, and he's been a great help, and I just couldn't resist.
No.
Come on, man.
Here you go. You can have fun.
Dude, come on. Don't be like
There's a
that.
lesson to be learned here. Don't tick off your workers.
Come on, dude. Forgive me. Forgive me. Come on, man. I need your help. I need your help. How mad are you, really? Come on, go help me. No more firecrackers, I promise.